In today's video, I'll teach you how to add items to watch list on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add the items to your watch list, it is actually very simple. First of all, find the items that you would like to add to the watch list. After you do that, simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the item details interface. You'll be able to see the details regarding that item over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find three options: buy it now, add to cart, add to watch list. If you want to buy it right now, click on this option, buy it now. If you want to buy it later, click on this option, add to cart. But if you only want to add it to the watch list, click on this option, add to watch list, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular item will be added to the watch list. If you want to see your watch list, simply click on this option, watch list, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to view all the items that you've added to the watch list over here. So like this, you'll be able to add the items to watch list. So that is how you add items to your watch list on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.